Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video on Miss Minnie. So in the previous episode, we gave her a face. Headlight surrounds and indicators and grille and whatnot, and it's looking really good. So today, I'm going to try and rectify a couple of things, tidy up a few little jobs, and hopefully box off a couple of those little snaggy things that need sorting. First of all, I've ordered these. Now they are P-clips, nylon P-clips, and I'll show you what they're for. The loom that comes in here, I just want to make sure I get a P-clip like this and just tidy up the loom a little bit to try and, if I can make it a little bit neater and a little bit less floppy aroundy, it makes things a little bit nicer. The second thing, I have ordered a replacement windscreen seal. The only thing I'm not sure about is it has a break in it. So I need to make sure that when that's sealed, it's joined perfectly in the centre, which is strange. But when you look at the seal, there's a couple of patches on it that I'm not particularly happy with regards to the scuttle panel being replaced, have been spot welded on, and you can sort of see the dimples of the spot welds, which I'm a bit unsure about with longevity. So I've gone for the extra wide, which is the later Rover Mini seal, and yeah, I've got to take the surround out. When it's out, I can clean up all around the edge, and hopefully this sort of recess here that you can just see, a lot of that will disappear with this wider seal. That's the plan. So I guess there's no time like the present. Let's undo the front screen, like I've already taken time to do, and let's get the screen out. Let's get the surround all cleaned up and prepped, ready to be refitted, and let's get the screen refitted. Massive pain because I had to do this once already, but needs must, and I think this will be much better going forward, and all being well, just make life a little bit more watertight and better. So let's get stuck in. If you haven't done so already, please, as always, hit that thumbs up button down below, comment, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. It really, really means a lot to me. Every single one of you is a huge boost to try and push me on to do more content and more videos. I'm trying to make a push for the channel this year, trying to get to that next level of success, and I need your help. So a lot of you watching haven't subscribed, which is absolutely fine, but all you can do, hit that button down below. It costs you nothing and it means the world to me. So thank you so much in advance, and less of me, let's get on with this. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to admit defeat for tonight. A couple of reasons. The windscreen doesn't fit is the first one. So this is a much thicker seal, and the old one was actually reused from when it was taken apart. And secondly, I've caught my arm. It's a puncture hole. Ooh! That is painful. So I was trying to use this little pick just to try and get the edge of the windscreen sill over the glass, and slipped and stabbed straight through my jumper right into there, and that is really, really painful. So yeah, that's not good. So really, really annoying, really frustrating, because I was really that came out super easy, but yeah, one of those things. Back to the drawing board, and oh, that's painful. That's super painful. Anyway, that's it. Back in a bit. See ya. Now, it's all about using the correct tools for the job so you don't end up slipping and causing damage to yourself. Now, stupidly, I used a very sharp metal pick, slipped and stabbed myself right in the arm. And 1 week later, and the bruise is still pretty apparent, I've managed to purchase some plastic trim tools, which hopefully help me get into the grooves, get the glass fitted and get that job done. Come in. Okay, so we are back in the garage and attempt number 2 at fitting this windscreen. The first one ended in me causing quite a bit of damage to my arm. So now that's all recovered and I'm healed, let's just crack on. So I originally set out to say, right, fit the rubber, then fit the screen to the rubber, and that didn't really go to plan. So I took the rubber off, fitted to the screen, that also didn't go to plan. So the rubber is now back on the car, and today I'm just gonna hit it. I'm gonna lubricate all of the rubber all round. I'm going to lubricate the screen, I'm going to put my suction cup onto the screen, I'm going to fit it in, guide it all in. It's going to work. So, no time like the present, let's just crack on and hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll come back to you very shortly with a fitted windscreen. Took a little longer than planned, but the screen is in. Thicker screen because it's the heated front screen, and also a thicker rubber as well. It just meant a little bit extra fighting. So I'll give this a bit of a clean up. There's a couple of little marks on the edge of the rubber where I tried to get the trim in, but overall you're never going to notice that. So yeah, very pleased. It's in. A little bit frustrated that it took so long, but these plastic trims are a saving grace. I'd have to use a little pick just to try and get the top up to get this little locking strip in. So I have the locking strip that goes around the outside, which I've done previously, and then here at the top you have like a little cover that joins the two ends together. So yeah, that fits much nicer than the old one. I'm very, very happy with that. So, in theory, the inside of the car is now watertight and it covers up quite a lot of the imperfections I have along the scuttle panel. The scuttle panels were the biggest issues I had with this with regards to the spot welds being visible. So this is why I went for the bigger screen, or the bigger seal. This is an MPI, so a later type MPI, like 95 I think onward, maybe 90 onwards. Yes, it was harder to get in, but yes, it looks much better, so I'm happy I've done this. The suction cup I bought was pretty useless because it kept slipping. I think, yeah, if I had it on a dry glass it'd be fine. I just thought if I put it on the wet it might just get a bit to suck to. So it was useless, but I guess user error. What else? Had a bit of difficulty trying to get the corner here in, but once that was fitted in, it all just popped into place, and then when I put the locking strip in, again it was difficult, but now it's in, it's spread all that load out, so the glass is looking really good and quite centralised, so I'm happy with that. I guess for that then, on to the next steps. So I'll leave this video here. Thank you so much for watching. The windscreen is in. The car is now watertight and sealed. I've got some plastic trims that I bought recently, the sucker cup that I bought recently, and lots of soapy water to get this screen in. It's probably one of the hardest screens I've actually ever had to fit. I'm assuming because it's a double glazed heated front screen, it's a little bit thicker and a little bit harder to get done. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video and others, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. It really means a lot to me, and it really means a lot to watch this channel grow, and just want to thank you all in advance for all your support. But yeah, if you did enjoy the video, please leave a thumbs up down below, comment in the comment description, and if you can, haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. That's it from me for today, and I will see you guys next time. Take it easy.